All right, so question number one: how are you using AI like ChatGPT in your youth ministry? So I'm just going to bring it up. So let me give you one more here, and that is based on programming. Okay, on programming, and in the programming aspect, you want to like events. So let's just go on this. Uh, can you plan me? Can you give me 10 winter activities? Activities. I'm gonna put church in there as well. Teen church youth group. Once again, the more specific you are, the more specific it's going to answer things. Can you give me 10 winter activities my teen church youth group would like? All right, here we go. So these are winter activities. They're just going to give me 10 of them. So it's got sledding or snow tubing. And once again, this is winter activity. So obviously, if you got to be somewhere where there's snow, or you have to go drive somewhere where there's snow, maybe you're taking your kids on a ski trip. So sledding or snow tubing, ice skating, always fun. Snowshoeing, snowshoeing or cross country skiing. Okay. I guess if you're in that area, I don't think my teens would like that. Building a snowman or fort, right? Having a huge snowball fight. Winter bonfire, pretty good idea. I just had a fall one not too many weeks ago. Winter game night. Well, let's see what that says. This is a great indoor activity for your youth group to enjoy on a cold winter night. Play winter-themed games such as snowball toss, snowman relay race, or winter bingo. That's not bad. That's pretty good. A winter service project. This is a great way for a youth group to give back to their community and show their faith. Shovel snow for elderly neighbors or volunteer at a local soup kitchen or homeless shelter. Way to go, ChatGPT Bard. Winter scavenger hunt. This is a fun and challenging activity for your youth group to enjoy, creating a list of winter-themed items for your youth group members to find. You can make the scavenger hunt more difficult, hiding the items in difficult places, requiring your youth group members to complete certain tasks in order to find the items. Winter photo contest. That's not a bad idea. This is great for your youth group to show off their photography skills. Have a contest for the best winter-themed photo. You can have different categories for the contest, such as best landscape, best animal photo, or best snow day photo. That's a decent idea. You can also be very specific, like you could say icicles. Give me a picture of yellow snow. Give me a picture of somebody sledding. It could be anything. Could be a bunch of those things. Then you have winter movie night. This is a great way for your youth group to relax, have fun, watch a winter-themed movie such as Frozen, Elf, or Polar Express. You can make popcorn and snacks. And we're doing that with our youth group. We're taking our students to here's the Alabama Theater. Trying to buy tickets. They got to get back to me, but because I'm buying a lot of tickets. And I'm going to take them out for a movie night for that. So these are just, once again, the more specific you are in asking the questions, the more specific answers you're going to get.